The 5 steps to Lean. After completing this topic, you should be able to recognize correct application of the process for implementing Lean in an organization and order the steps in the Lean process. To implement Lean, you follow a 5-step process. First, you identify value, or what a customer is willing to pay for. Next, you map the value stream, create current and future state maps, and develop an action plan. The third step is to create flow in the value stream by organizing people, ensuring quality at the source, and using reliable, well-maintained equipment. Establishing pool is the 4th step. It optimizes flow by basing production on real-time consumption. Ways to do this include leveling production, using Kanban, and optimizing supply and delivery. The 5th step is to seek perfection through continuous improvement. The plan, do, check, act cycle is a common methodology for implementing this.